Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the solution like this. This just happened to me just like yesterday, literally yesterday. So I have, I have the app script on Google Sheets, and then this app is blocked, blah blah blah. It kept like this. I already discussed with Gemini back and forth about 30 to 45 minutes. I never get solution. The Gemini suggests me like open the OAuth on GCP, Google Cloud Platform. I think that's so difficult for me as a non-nerd like you. Okay, so it kept blocked like this. I've tried so many times. I've tried so many methods, and then finally, I decided to remake the Google Sheet. So the main cause is because I duplicate. So I have these several Google Sheets, and these sheets has each of them has its own app script. So I duplicate. This is the main file. I duplicate this one to several files. And then when I try to run the script on the duplicated file, it unable to verify, unable to authenticate the your account. I don't know why. So the solution is very simple. You just go to create your Google new sheet, very in the blank sheet. So no need to make a copy, no need to duplicate any sources, and then later on you just copy and paste your sheet. I mean your app script. You just remake your app script on your new Google Sheets. That works for me. I don't know how come Google coming like this, because for me it took about 45 minutes to make it right and never succeed until I decided to make a new from scratch and then just paste the script into the new Google Sheet. So that's the solution. So that's my own experience. I hope it's helpful for you. So happy to try. Congratulations if you succeed to solve your problems. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.